Hello friends, today's topic markets today complete U-turn. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty opened positively today at 22,300. However, it gradually started falling and fell to around 22,100. Then once again, it recovered by the middle of the day to 22,250 and once again fell to around 22,050 before it had a fantastic rally to 22,400 in the last 1 hour. Markets made U-turn at the end of the day. The volatility was a lot today. Such volatility has become quite common in the last few weeks. One of the reasons for the last hour rally was the weekly expiry of F&O contracts for Nifty index. Another reason was that the US inflation figures was lower than expected. This helped US markets to rally yesterday night and all major Asian markets are positive today. Some of the IT stocks rallied well today on the hope of the rate cut in US because of lower inflation. Many individual stocks had fallen along with the overall markets but recovered and rallied well at the end of the day. Some stocks recovered up to 5% from their lowest part of the day. Intraday movement of some large cap stocks. Reliance Industries high 2855 2796, closing 2851 and percentage change to the low is 1.9%. Titan Company high 3348, low 3251, closing 3334 and percentage change 2.5% up. M&M high 2394, low 2286, closing 2372 and percentage change from low 3.7%. L&T 3469 versus 3378 and closing 3461 and change from the low 2.4%. Bajaj Finance high 6762, low 6623, closing 6680 and change from the low 0.9%. Infosys high 1456, low 1427, closing 1453, percentage from the low 1.8%. ICICI Bank showed a percentage up of 1.6 from the lowest. 8. Eicher Motors high 4697, low 4543, closing 4682 and change from the low 3.1%. HDFC Bank high 1463, low 1436, closing 1460, 1.7% up. 10. TCS high 3910, low 3844, closing 3901 and percentage change from low 1.5%. Axis Bank 1144 versus 1111 and closing 1139 and 2.5% up from the lowest. ITC high 433, low 423, closing 431, percentage change from the low 1.9%. 13. Bharti Airtel high 1357, low 1321, closing 1345 and percentage change from the low 1.8%. 14. JSW Steel high 888, low 864, closing 886, percentage from the low 2.5%. Now going to the 15th stock of the day, Bajaj Finserv high 1601, low 1560, closing 1596, percentage change from the low 2.3%. 16. Hero Motocar high 5155, low 5042, closing 5141, percentage change from the low 1.9%. 17. SDFC Life high 568, low 551, closing 567, percentage from the low 2.9% up. 18. Britannia high 5150, low 5018, closing 5138, 2.4% up from the lowest. 19. Wipro high 468, low 456, closing 464, percentage is low 1.7%. 20. Tata Consumer high 1102, low 1058, closing 1100 and percentage change from the low 3.9%. 21 Tech Mahindra, high 1312, low 1281, closing 1308, percentage change from the low 2.1%. This was just taste of how markets can suddenly rally. Just a few days of such rallies and markets and individual stocks will be touching new lifetime highs. It will have a positive impact on the portfolio value of all investors. At the end of the video, here is the question. Do you watch markets regularly during working hours? Yes, now and then is one choice. No, I am busy with the work is the second choice. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.